When we try to improve our looks, we first prefer to improve our hairstyle.
We know hairstyle is one of the important things to improve our style. Today we're counting down the top 10 best haircuts for 2026. Perfect for every hair type and face shape. Whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly hair, this video will help you choose the right hairstyle that will make you look confident, stylish, and classy in 2026. In this video I have mentioned the best hairstyle according to face shape. Watch the video from start to end as you never miss any point. Hash 10. Classic crew cut. This cut is a clean, low maintenance, and perfect for guys who want a tidy, professional look. If you're in school, college, it is the best option for you. It works especially well if you have square or oval face shapes. For this hairstyle, keep the top slightly longer and the sides faded. It will give you the vibe of a gentleman. Hash 9. Textured crop. The textured crop adds a boy vibes, and for straight hair guys it is in best option. It gave volume and movement to straight hair and is also good for wavy and curly hair. If you have a round or diamond face shapes, you must try it, because it creates height up top and slims the sides. For hydrating the hair, use a leave-in conditioner to define the texture. Hash 8. Slick back undercut. This is the best hairstyle for men having straight and wavy hair for a sharp look. The hair will blend a slick back top with undercut. Sides perfect. For date nights or interviews. Great for oval and heart face shapes. Important tip: if you have an oval face shape, you can try any hairstyle. You are lucky to have oval face. Hash 7. Loose wavy shag. For those with wavy hair texture, this is a must-try hairstyle. The loose wavy shag gives effortless style with texture. It frames the face well, especially oval and rectangular face shapes, and works great if you love casual vibes. Number 6. Messy taper fade. This cut keeps hair longer on top, with a smooth fade on the sides, making wavy hair look tidy without losing its natural texture. If you have a curly hair, you can try these. Number 5. Classic pompadour. The pompadour hairstyle is an old trend. It will be trending on 2026. It's a timeless, effortless hairstyle. You can achieve this style by giving volume up and back with a little product, and it will suit on every outfit you wear. Hash for curly high fade. For curly hair guys, it's in best style. The high fade with curls on top gives great definition and contrast to the curls. For hydration, use curly cream or leave-in conditioner. Hash 3. Curly mid-length. If you love your curls long and natural, this mid-length style lets them shine with soft layers. It's especially flattering on oval and diamond face shapes and gives a more artistic, relaxed look. It's a must-try hairstyle for guys with curly hair.
Number 2. Curly top with taper. This version keeps your curls while fading down the sides for a clean silhouette. It frames oval and round faces beautifully and is easy to maintain with just a curl enhancing cream. Number 1. Modern classic. And at number 1, we've got the modern classic, a versatile, layered haircut that works for straight, wavy, or curly hair. This cut adapts to your face shape with gentle blending, making it universally flattering and perfect for 2026. Which of these cuts are you trying in 2026? Comment below. And if you enjoyed this guide, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more grooming tips. See you next time on Grind and Groom.